Hello, my name is Sunil Kumar. I belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I am 45-year-old. I am working in telecom company from the last 20 years. So now the age of AI, everywhere is AI tool is using in every company to make our work very easier, which work can take 2 or 3 days, or in like in Excel or programming it takes around one day just to prepare one or two sheets of data. Now, with the help of AI tool, now we can prepare very frequently. So this course, I I think this course is very useful for everyone, those who are in wherever, anywhere in field, like software company, like any telecom industry, or any domain where they are working. So everywhere nowadays is using computer or preparing Excel or PPT document. So with the help of all these AI tools, we can prepare any presentation without supporting any MS uh, MIS person or any help of anyone. We can prepare all these data with ourselves. Thank you so much.